So as you're walking up from Anong Beach, up on the right hand side, you come across this place called RCA Entertainment. It's an entertainment center where they have all the girly bars. There's some food back here, food up here, lots of good food here. I had some food here the other night. Traditional Thai food for very cheap price, 150 baht for a full meal. So I'll come down here now. Won't be able to come here tonight because they'll allow me to film down here. Maybe they will, I don't know. But this is all the bars. Come here for drinks, listen to music, play pool. If you're into that, this is the place. So let's see, RCA Entertainment District, Entertainment Alley, or whatever you want to call it. But I swear there's probably a 7-Eleven every couple hundred meters. They do have a Burger King down by the beach. I'll show you where that is. A McDonald's down there. We got a McDonald's up here. Starbucks if you're into that. Ronnie Max. Lots of places selling tours, like every 100 feet, less than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 I count within 50 feet. So who you book with, I have no idea. Don't know. So we'll continue on up the road here. So I've noticed there's at least 2 major medical clinics. There's one here. And where the other one was, I think it might be further back towards the beach. But it looks like they've got all that covered, all the medical stuff, injuries, you know, whatever if you get sick. So it looks like it's all well taken care of. And of course there are tons and tons of tattoo shops as well. So, yeah. Not sure they show pictures of tattoos. Whether or not the artist in the tattoo shop actually did those tattoos is what I would question. So. we will head up this way. Oh, I'll show you a grocery store. It's not far from here.
Maybe it's just no fees.
So here is the grocery store, Mother, I think it's called Marché, that's how you pronounce it. Medium-sized grocery store. It's got some fresh fruits and vegetables, a lot of dry goods, packaged goods. So if you need something like that, this is the only place I could find. 7-Eleven. All right. We just took a walk to the left out of my resort, and now we're going to take a walk to the right of my resort. And I'll show you guys what's down here. We'll head down to the beach, Anong Beach, I think that's how you pronounce it.
There's one in just
And take you guys along and show you what the sights and sounds. And again, you can't appreciate the aroma of the different foods cooking, but you get the idea. This restaurant here, let's see, I've seen a bunch of restaurants. This is the only one that's actually on the beach. So you get a view of the ocean. So it's called the Krabi. I might check it out one of these nights. It looks expensive, but the view, like as you can see the sunset, like that's pretty cool. It looks pretty good. So I might try that. All right.